Steambow R6 Stinger 2. Picture yourself in a post-apocalyptic world, where the only thing standing between you and the chaos of the unknown is the Steambow R6 Stinger 2. This cutting-edge survival gear isn't your run-of-the-mill gadget. It's a veritable blend of James Bond sophistication and Mad Max ruggedness. Imagine strapping this sleek, menacing contraption to your back, ready to unleash arrow after arrow with the finesse of a secret agent and the adrenaline-pumping intensity of an action movie chase scene. The Steambow R6 Stinger 2 is more than just a piece of equipment. It's your ticket to a thrilling adventure where you become the hero of your own action-packed blockbuster. Whether you're facing off against zombie hordes or navigating the treacherous wilderness, this gear is your ultimate sidekick, ensuring you'll never have a dull moment in your quest for survival. Atomic Bear Swat Knife. The Atomic Bear Swat Knife isn't just a blade, it's a cinematic masterpiece in the palm of your hand. Imagine yourself as the suave protagonist of a high-stakes espionage thriller where every move is a calculated step towards victory. With its rugged, tactical design and razor-sharp edge, this knife becomes an extension of your fearless persona, an emblem of your unwavering resolve. It's not just a tool, it's your key to unlocking the pulse-pounding sequences that make you feel like a silver screen hero. Whether you're cutting through obstacles, fashioning impromptu gadgets, or expertly diffusing intense situations, the Swat Knife transforms everyday challenges into heart-pounding scenes straight out of a blockbuster action flick. It's your trusty sidekick for the epic adventures of life, where you're the dashing lead navigating a world full of thrilling twists, close calls, and exhilarating escapes. Wicked Laser's Flashtorch. The Wicked Laser's Flashtorch is not just a flashlight, it's a dazzling, high-octane adventure waiting to happen. Imagine holding in your hand a device that doesn't just banish the darkness, but transforms it into a spectacle worthy of a sci-fi blockbuster. As you unleash the scorching beam of this flashlight, you're suddenly the superhero, wielding a weapon that can cut through the night with the intensity of a laser sword battle. It's your very own lightsaber, your beacon of power that can turn a simple camping trip into a cosmic journey. With the Flashtorch, the world is your cinematic playground, and you're the leading character, boldly exploring new realms with each flick of the switch. This isn't just a flashlight, it's a ticket to a realm where the mundane becomes mesmerizing, and where you're the protagonist of an electrifying, light-infused story. Procamptek Fire Strip Roll. The Procamptek Fire Strip Roll isn't just an ordinary fire starting tool, it's your backstage pass to the heart-pounding spectacle of survival in the wild. Imagine being the rugged hero of your own adventure movie, armed with this incredible fire starter that turns nature's elements into a special effects show. With the Fire Strip Roll, you're not just kindling a fire, you're igniting the drama of your journey, transforming the wilderness into a gripping stage for your skills. As you unfurl this roll of fiery magic, you're the star of a survival epic, crafting flames that dance with the intensity of a Hollywood inferno. It's not just a tool, it's your VIP pass to a thrilling, primal narrative where you are the central character, battling the elements with unwavering determination and an awe-inspiring, fiery flair. Zipo Woodsman. The Zipo Woodsman isn't just any ordinary tool. It's your passport to a rugged, adrenaline-fueled wilderness adventure. Picture yourself as the fearless explorer of a blockbuster outdoor thriller where the Zipo Woodsman is your trusty sidekick, your very own Swiss Army knife on steroids. With its versatile design and uncompromising durability, this tool becomes an extension of your intrepid persona, ready to tackle any challenge Mother Nature throws your way. It's not just a gadget, it's your key to unlocking the epic scenes that make the great outdoors your personal action movie set. Whether you're building a shelter, starting a fire, or fashioning essential survival tools, the Zipo Woodsman transforms the wilderness into a captivating narrative where you are the rugged lead, conquering the wild with style and unmatched grit. A DK26 axe. The ADK 26 axe isn't just a mere wood-cutting instrument, it's your ticket to a thrilling lumberjack adventure. Imagine yourself as the burly hero in a rugged, action-packed lumberyard epic, brandishing this mighty axe like a true warrior's weapon. With its formidable design and razor-sharp blade, it's not just a tool, it's your means of turning backbreaking labor into an exhilarating, cinematic showdown with massive logs and towering trees. As you swing this powerhouse, you're the central character in a story of brawny courage, where every strike echoes like a thunderous battle cry. The ADK 26 axe doesn't just chop wood, it transforms the mundane into a high-stakes saga with you as the lumberjack legend, conquering the forest with strength, skill, and heart-pounding excitement. DPX Gear Heft 12 Chop. The DPX Gear Heft 12 Chop isn't just a tool, it's your entry into a thrilling wilderness adventure where you become the action hero of your own survival epic. Imagine yourself as the resilient protagonist, conquering the harshest terrains with this rugged and unyielding machete-like blade, With its robust design and razor-sharp edge, it's not just a mere instrument, it's your trusty companion in a heart-pounding journey through untamed landscapes. As you wield the Heft 12 chop, you're not just clearing paths, you're hacking through the underbrush, building shelters, and facing nature's challenges with the poise of a silver screen hero. This gear doesn't just cut, it transforms every outdoor excursion into a cinematic experience where you're the lead character, mastering the wild with unwavering determination and a thrilling sense of adventure. Olight Warrior X Turbo. The Olight Warrior X Turbo isn't your ordinary flashlight, it's your personal spotlight in a high-octane, real-life action movie. Picture yourself as the fearless protagonist, embarking on a thrilling mission with this powerful tactical flashlight as your secret weapon. With its robust design and blindingly intense beam, it's not just a source of light, it's your guiding star through the darkest of nights. As you unleash the Warrior X Turbo, you're not just illuminating your path, you're casting a dramatic beacon that turns mundane situations into electrifying scenes from a blockbuster. It's not just a flashlight, it's your tool for creating moments of suspense, intrigue, and excitement. Whether you're exploring uncharted territories or safeguarding your surroundings, with the Warrior X Turbo, you're the star of your own adventure, shining a brilliant light on your journey with all the dramatic flair of a Hollywood hero. Surviveware Splint. The Surviveware Splint isn't just a medical tool, it's your cinematic savior in the midst of challenging outdoor escapades. Envision yourself as the indomitable protagonist of a wilderness survival drama, armed with this innovative splint as your ace in the hole. With its flexible design and versatility, it's not just an ordinary medical device, it's your ticket to transforming an injury into a plot twist. As you utilize the Surviveware Splint, you're not just providing first aid, you're orchestrating a high-stakes rescue operation with the precision of a seasoned action hero. This gear isn't just about mending bones, it's your pathway to a gripping narrative where you are the resilient central character, conquering adversity with resourcefulness and the kind of drama that keeps audiences on the edge of their seats. Mini Striker RD Pistol Crossbow. The Mini Striker RD Pistol Crossbow is not just a compact weapon, it's your invitation to a thrilling adventure right out of an action-packed spy flick. Imagine yourself as the daring secret agent, armed with this sleek, reverse-draw pistol crossbow that's ready for clandestine missions and adrenaline-pumping action. With its innovative design and deadly accuracy, it's not just a mere weapon, it's your tool for turning every confrontation into an electrifying showdown. As you wield the Mini Striker RD, you're not just firing arrows, you're unleashing precision and stealth worthy of the most intense cinematic face-offs. This gear is more than a compact crossbow, it's your key to a world where you're the hero, navigating treacherous terrain with skill and a pulse-pounding sense of excitement that keeps you at the heart of the action. Weyland Tracker Survival Knife. The Weyland Tracker Survival Knife is more than just a blade, it's your ticket to a thrilling, outdoor adventure that rivals the most captivating survival movies. Picture yourself as the rugged protagonist of an epic wilderness tale, armed with this versatile and robust tool as your trusty sidekick. With its sturdy construction and multifunctional design, it's not just a knife, it's your key to transforming the wilderness into a captivating narrative. As you wield the Weyland Tracker, you're not just cutting and crafting, you're forging a compelling story filled with survival challenges, resourcefulness, and a thrilling sense of exploration. This gear isn't just a knife, it's your passport to an immersive world where you're the resilient lead character, mastering the great outdoors with skill and an adrenaline-pumping sense of adventure. Introducing the Nebo Luxtreme Spotlight series, where adventure meets illumination in a cinematic spectacle that will leave you in awe. Picture yourself as the intrepid explorer, ready to uncover the mysteries of the night, equipped with the Luxtreme Spotlight as your guiding star. With its cutting-edge technology and the power to rival the spotlight of a Hollywood set, it's not just a mere torch, it's your beacon in the darkness, turning any location into an epic film scene. As you turn on the Luxtreme, you're not just lighting up the surroundings, you're transforming your world into a thrilling, high-definition landscape where every detail is brought to life, creating a suspenseful atmosphere that keeps you at the center of the action. The Nebo Luxtreme Spotlight series isn't just a flashlight, it's your partner in storytelling, guiding your adventures with the precision, intensity, and drama worthy of a blockbuster commercial. T-Rex Duct Tape. T-Rex Duct Tape is not just your average roll of adhesive, it's your dynamic tool for crafting epic, do-it-yourself adventures that rival the most exciting action movies. Imagine yourself as the resourceful hero, armed with this rugged, indestructible tape, ready to conquer any challenge with the tenacity of a cinematic warrior. With its extraordinary strength and versatility, it's not just an everyday tape, it's your secret weapon for transforming mundane fixes into adrenaline-pumping feats of innovation and creativity. As you unroll the T-Rex Duct Tape, you're not just sticking things together, you're engineering solutions that add layers of suspense, ingenuity, and dramatic flair to your journey. This tape isn't just adhesive, it's your gateway to a world where you're the protagonist, battling obstacles with unwavering determination and an action-packed sense of adventure that keeps you in the center of the DIY spotlight. Thanks for joining the adventure, folks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button like a hero tackling their final quest and ring the notification bell like a true treasure hunter so you never miss out on the next adrenaline-packed episode. And a massive shout out to our incredible community for being the real superheroes of our channel's story. You guys rock. Until our next epic encounter, stay tuned, stay awesome, and keep the adventure alive.